Welcome to Higher Demand. If you're passionate about growing cannabis, fascinated by UAPs and UFO sightings, or love solving cryptic puzzles, you're in the right place. This is your one-stop destination for everything out of this world. Every week, we bring you the best in these three areas, so no matter what you're here for, there's always something exciting to discover. Let's start with growing cannabis. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, growing your own cannabis can be one of the most rewarding experiences. But it's not just about throwing some seeds in the soil. There's a whole science to it. From choosing the right strain to perfecting your grow space, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to cultivate high-quality cannabis right at home. We'll talk about lighting, nutrients, and even how to troubleshoot common problems like pests or nutrient deficiencies. And if you're looking to level up your grow game, we've got pro tips that'll help you maximize your harvest. Make sure you're subscribed, because in future episodes, we'll dive even deeper into advanced growing techniques. But growing cannabis isn't the only thing we're passionate about here. Let's talk about the mystery of UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. You've probably heard about strange lights in the sky, unexplained sightings, and the endless debates about whether we're alone in the universe. Well, we're diving deep into those topics. Every week, we bring you the latest news and theories on UFOs and UAPs. We'll break down the most recent sightings, take a look at some of the most compelling footage out there, and explore possible explanations, ranging from secret government projects to, yes, maybe even extraterrestrial visitors. And now, on to one of our favorite parts of the channel, the Cryptic Cipher Game. When we first started Higher Demand, we wanted to create something that would keep your brain sharp and your curiosity piqued. And that's exactly what the Cipher Game does. We've got puzzles, codes, and hidden messages scattered throughout our videos, and it's your job to crack them. Each cipher has clues that tie into our content, whether it's related to cannabis growing, UFOs, or something else. If you love solving puzzles, this is your chance to test your skills and be part of the High Demand community. But it's not just about the prizes. We want to build a community of people who share a passion for discovery and adventure. So if you're into growing cannabis, chasing UFOs, or solving cryptic ciphers, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Higher Demand family. Before we dive into today's video, we'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and ensures we can keep bringing you the content you love. Plus, it helps us know what you're most excited about, so we can keep delivering exactly what you want to see. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Hit that bell so you don't miss out on all the exciting content we have coming up. We're constantly dropping new videos, and you won't want to miss a single one. We'll see you in the next video.